As the saying goes, there is no such thing as a perfect crime. This film is based on facts.
Disturbing ka agad, unang scene pa lang, oh.
Sabi ni Derek kanina, based on facts daw eh. Like P-A-C-K-S eh. Facts eh. Eh, kaya pala may packaging scene pala no na packaging.
DI. Sketch na kagad, eh.
Okay.
Grabe.